To see your dividends in Robinhood, first, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device or log into your account on the website. Navigate to the account main page where you can view your portfolio. Look for the section that shows your total account balance and investments. This is where you will find an overview of your assets. Next, tap or click on the account icon usually located at the bottom right corner of the app. Once you're in the account section, look for an option labeled Dividends or History. This area will provide you with detailed information about any dividends that you have received, including the amounts and the stocks associated with them. If you want more specific information, go back to your portfolio and select the individual stock that pays dividends. Once you are on the stocks page, scroll down to find the dividend information. Here, you will see details such as the dividend yield and the upcoming payment dates for any scheduled dividends. Lastly, remember that dividends are usually paid out quarterly or annually, depending on the stock. Make sure to keep an eye on the dates and the amounts to keep track of your earnings from these investments. Understanding how to find and interpret this information can help you manage your investment strategy more effectively.